Ucwaningo lwakamuva lwesimo semsebenzi ezweni olwenziwa abakwa-Stats SA luveza ukuthi njengenjwayelo imboni yezohwebo yahamba phambili ngokuqasha abantu ababalelwa kwizinkulungwane ezingama-54 ngesikhathi sikaNcibijane.
The last quarter of every year tends to be seasonal, which means that we do get jobs being created in anticipation of the festive season. So unfortunately, that 76,000 jobs that were created, a big number of those is part-time employees, so people are employed for the festive season.
Bayizinkulungwane ezine nanhlanu abantu abaqashwa kuhulumeni, kanti izinkulungwane ezine kuphela ezashwa lawo msebenzi kwizinkampani ezizimele.
The buying power of South Africans has waned over the last couple of months. I mean, we have lost close to 3 million jobs, and even the ones who are still lucky enough to have jobs, many of them, they are highly indebted. There's wage freezes all across both the public and the private sector, which means the buying power of South Africans has been greatly reduced.
Bayizinkulungwane eziyishumi abantu abadilizwa kwimboni yezokwakha. Abasebenzi abayizinkulungwane eziyishumi balahlekelwa imisebenzi emafemini. Kwathi izimayini kanye nezokuthutha zona zadiliza inkulungwane yabasebenzi imboni ngayinye. Osomnotho bathi isimo semsebenzi asikazosimama njengoba izwe lisabhekene nengwadla yegciwane i-COVID-19. Mbongeni Motho, SABC, eGoli.